Hello students, this is the second video which is related to data representation methods. Right, so if you didn't watch my previous video, please watch it, then you can understand about these names, right? So today I'll tell you then how do you call these number systems and how do you recognize the base and characters that we use with those numbers, right? The first one, so I will draw some tables to clear this idea. So first column I will write the name number system. Alright, the second column I will write the base of that number system, and third column I write the symbols used with this number system, and the last I write some example numbers. Right? So in here we have to learn 4 type of number systems. That's why I can draw some 4 rows in here. 1, 2, 3 and 4 like that. Right? Then I'll write the name here. The first number we have to learn decimal number. Then that is called decimal number system. So normally we use decimal numbers without writing the base there, right? So the base, then let's see what are the symbols that we use. We use 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 10 different symbols. We can call this number system is base 10 numbers because we use 10 different characters, different symbols, 0 to 9. Then you know it is very well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right? If you use 10 symbols, 10 different symbols to represent some type of number system, that is called decimal number or a base 10 number. Then 5, 9, 3 base 10, 5, 8, 2 base 10, 1, 2, 3 base 10. Those are the examples. Right? Another number systems that is used with the electronic devices, then I will explain there. So that is called, then there are 2 different symbols. Then one is called low voltage and the other one is called high voltage. Then you can count 1, 2. That means base can be 2. If it is base 2 numbers, then we can write the name of it. It is called binary. If you use these 2 symbols to do your calculations or electronic calculations, then we can say this is binary number system. The base is 2. Then you can write 1, 1, 0, base 2, 1, 0, 1, 0, base 2, 1, 1, 1, 0, base 2, like that. Don't forget to put the base with these numbers, but normally we are using decimal numbers to do our calculations. We don't want to write the base because all the people know it. But if you use these type of numbers to do your calculations, it is better to write the base. Right, another one is there. We use 8 different symbols, 8 different characters. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 8 different characters, that's why you can think base is 8. This number system is called octal number system. Then if you use octal numbers to do your calculation, this number system called octal number system. Alright, this is octal number system. Then examples for it: 6, 3, 4 base 8, 5, 1, 0 base 8, right? 7, 1, 2 base 8, like that. Then you can write octal numbers using the base of it. Right? So last one. So we use 16 different symbols to represent one number system. That is called 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 up to 15. If you use these 16 symbols, 16 numbers to represent some number, that is called base 16 number or hexadecimal. right? This is hexadecimal number system, base 16 number system, right? So important to remember, there's a standard. If you want to write hexadecimal ones, don't write 10. Instead of it, you have to write capital A. Instead of 11, you have to write B, 12C, 13, D, 14, E, and last one is 15, F. Then if you represent hexadecimal numbers like this, F to 5 base 16, C, A base 16, 1, 5, 6 base 16 like that. Right? These numbers can be considered as with its base. Then there are 4 numbers we have to learn. Then in my next video, I'll teach you how to convert decimal numbers into binary numbers. Right? After that, then I'll teach you how to decimal convert octal, and octal to decimal, binary to decimal, like that. Right? Then study this table once again. Right?